Arts Workfly.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be answering your questions in this video. Now, most persons have asked about my drawing videos, some asked about my vlogs, some asked about my challenges, and most persons are watching the CSEC visual arts content. Now, what I've done is to put all my videos in different playlists. So as you can see here, this is my channel, and right now I have 415 subscribers. Please ensure that you are subscribed, not just watching but subscribe to the channel. I have 279 videos. Some videos I have recently taken down. Ensure that you click that subscribe button whenever you go on to my channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. Now, these are the different videos that different playlists that I have on my channel. So I have art advice and inspiration. I have art gallery. So in art gallery are like different famous artworks and stuff like that, our person's work. This right here gives you a bit of motivation whenever you're feeling down. This right here basically teaches you how to do certain things in a manly college. Timu, where I show you art supplies that I got from Timu. Advertisement or advertisement. I'm basically promoting my services here. Art movies, painting a day, art YouTuber, CSEC visual arts themes. So these are the different possible themes that you could work on. Most persons choose nature because it's easier, but there's many different themes that you could choose from and be creative with it. This is a new series that I'm going to start very soon, so stay tuned for that. Well, if you don't want to watch that, that's fine. You have many more that you can watch. As you can see, there's different playlists. Right here I have my CSEC visual arts past papers. I still have more to upload, so stay tuned for that. Here I'm showing you quick and easy painting techniques that you could use on your journal or on a painting background or just for a painting in general. Right here I give you a bit of updates and stuff. Right here I have different students' work here. I think some of these are also in gallery, but I don't remember. But if you want to see students' work, it's here. Right here I have reaction to art videos. I have art challenges here, so those who are asking for the challenges and games and collabs, it's here in this video here. For this is the giveaway. This is art mass. So those who are asking for the vlogs, some vlogs are in here. Those who are asking for the drawings, my drawings are in here. Right now I am in the process of getting my art products together and buying some more art materials, so that is the reason why I haven't painted or draw as yet. But soon as I'm finished upgrading my little space here, then I will start painting and drawing. Right here I have my designing my prayer journal. Right here I have performing arts. I have my drawings here also. This one here I have CSEC visual arts journal. So this is the CSEC visual arts journal. This right here is my vlog, my different vlogs and day in the life, so you can check out that. Most persons love the day in the lives and the vlogs, so it is here. And you can also check out art mass. Right here I have art supplies, so those who are interested in seeing art supplies, organizing my art supplies, I think it's here also. DIY, I have my paintings here for persons who are asking about my paintings. Is here on this playlist for those who are asking for vlogs, but mainly persons are watching the CSEC visual arts videos, the vlog videos, and the drawing and painting videos. Me physically doing a good lengthy long drawing or painting videos, and I understand that, but I'm now in the process of upgrading my little space, buying some more art supplies to get back into business. Just stay tuned, and while you're staying tuned, watch the videos. If you haven't watched some of the videos, Go through my playlist, see what you haven't watched already. Go ahead and watch those. And while you're watching those, please remember to share the video. Comment down below what you want to see. If you don't comment down below what you want to see, I will not know how to respond in terms of creating videos for you. So go ahead and comment below and like the video and share the video. Let's move this to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys for liking, watching, subscribing, sharing, and I will see you in the next one. Artwork Fly. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.